Good morning students. Now I'll teach you how to make an octagonal cylinder model. For this we require a chart paper, a cutout of regular octagon. In my earlier video I taught you how to make regular octagon using compass method. Then a scale and a scissor, Fevicol and a compass. Now see, we are making the octagonal cylinder taking 4 centimeter as side. So this one. Now see this octagon in the 4 centimeter side. So 4 into 8, that is 32. So 32 centimeter on the length and 5 centimeter height. I draw a rectangle first. So here I taken 32 centimeter line. So 32 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Now this side also 5 centimeter. So here is the completed. See A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A. So it is the octagon and the each side is 4 centimeters. So 4 into 8 equal to 32. So I will mark here. This is 4, 4, again 4, here 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 30. Now this on the border also. Okay, so I kept this on border. Now I will join this one. So this one 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So I give name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, and similarly A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, A dash. So each is 4 centimeters. So 4. Now here now join the sides. Okay, now I'll keep this one side. I'll draw the outline of the octagon. Similarly this side. Now I'll join this one. Now again here this side. This one also. Now the border I'll give name on D dash, that's on C dash, B dash, A dash, E, then this one F dash, G dash and H dash. H is 4 centimeter. Similar D, those are then C, B, A, E, then F, G, H. So 4 centimeter I have taken. Now border Now I'll join the sides here. Now join this one. So this one over. Now you cut the figure, or I think this one left. Okay, so I cut it this one. Now I'll cut the figure. Height I have taken less because the paper is of smaller size. So if you take bigger one, then you can make bigger side. So here also. Now we'll fold the border. So this way, now this one, and this way. Now we fold the border. Now fold the sides. So after folding it looking like this. Now see, after putting Fevicol and fixing, you get this one. This model can be used for making gift box, okay, and colorful candle mold, mathematical model, dholok. Thank you.